In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay in-store using your Capitec virtual card, making it easy to complete purchases quickly and securely without needing your physical card. First, open the Capitec mobile banking app. Make sure you're logged in with your usual credentials. Once you're on the home screen, look at the bottom navigation bar and tap on the section labeled Cards. When you open the Cards section, you'll see your physical card displayed at the top. Above it, there are two tabs, Virtual and Cards. Tap on the Virtual tab to access your virtual card options. This is where you can view, manage, and use all your virtual cards. If you haven't already created a virtual card, you will see the option to add a new virtual card. Tap on Add Virtual Card to start the process. You will then be prompted to set 3 important spending limits for your virtual card. The first limit is for cash withdrawals, the second is for card machine purchases, and the third is for phone or contactless payments. You can adjust these limits according to your needs. For example, you could set each limit to 1,000. After you have entered your preferred limits, tap Next. The app will take a moment to process the information and generate your virtual card. Once your virtual card has been successfully created, you'll be taken to a page showing the terms and conditions. Make sure to read them carefully, then check the 2 boxes to indicate your agreement and tap Accept. At this point, your virtual card is active, and the app will display all the card details including the card number, CVV code, and expiration date. These details are important for using your virtual card for payments. To make a payment with your virtual card, when you're at a contactless payment terminal, simply tap your phone against the machine to complete the transaction. It works just like a normal debit or credit card, but without needing the physical card. For even more convenience, you can add your virtual card to a digital wallet, such as Google Pay or Apple Pay. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily use your Capitec virtual card to make safe, fast, and convenient payments in stores, giving you more flexibility and control over your spending without carrying a physical card.